Okay? So my name is Engineer Jack Kenneth Espinosa Hulit, no? Ako niya last name is Hulit, no? Kung sometimes sinapronounce man nga Julit, okay lang man, no? So I'm a BS Civil Engineering from the University of San Agustin. Graduated 1999. Okay? May edad na, no? So, I'm a registered civil engineer. I have also a master's degree in engineering education, major in civil engineering, no? So I'm also a certified energy manager. So kung may requirements ka mo sa energy audit, no? Pwede man ta ka sideline da, no? I'm also the engineering head of WNS Global Services Iloilo. We have 5 offices. Here in Iloilo, we have 5 offices. Okay? So 3 in Mega World and 2 in Pavia, no, sa likod ng Robinsons, no? So kung gusto niyo mag-apply sa may BPO, no, on sa call center, then sa may Tutekno kamo kadto, no, kay sa Dalom or sa ground floor aradang amon nga recruitment hub. Okay? I'm also the pollution control officer head of WNS, no? This is the requirement of EMB, no? I'm also a certified Bosch Safety Officer 3, no? Requirement naman isang dole. No? I'm a certified enterprise quality professional Lean and Six Sigma. I'm also I used to be a professor, no, at AMA Computer College, no, from 2000 to 2005, no. So probably, no, sang una actually, no, sa San Agustin, sang teach ko sa San Agustin, no. So iban ko actually yung mga estudyante, no, ang ilang parents, student ko pa sang una sa AMA, no. Yes, no, I used to be a professor at University of San Agustin, no. In 2016, that's 2016, in College of Technology, no. Then previously, no, I also work as a surveyor, a site engineer, and project manager. So these are my qualifications, no, to teach these engineering subjects. Okay, so for this lecture, no, we will be discussing engineering mechanics. So the first module is more on introduction. Okay. First, we have here Simon Stevinus. No, he is a Flemish mathematician and engineer. No, he was the first to demonstrate resolution of forces, thereby establishing the foundation of modern statics. No, so there is may statics, no, mostly, no, pagkatun-an tama lang din, no, ang more on forces. Okay. So kung may gusto tang dulaon sa history, no, para hindi ito magantos ang statics, no, laban-laban ang moginisa, no, pero siyempre kung why statics, no, hindi naman taguro ka proceed sa modern engineering, di ba? So what role does engineering mechanics plays on the engineering education? First, we have to define several terminologies. No, we have here physics, the science that relates the properties of matter, energy, excluding biological and chemical effects. No? We have here engineering, applications of the mechanical and physical sciences, no? So physics, chemistry, biology, to the design and manufacture of items that benefit humanity. Okay na? So kita, no, ang ga-design or ga-manufacture sang items, no, based sa natunanta, no, sa sciences ang physics, chemistry, and biology, no. We have engineering design. This is the process of devising a system, component, or process to meet the desired needs. Okay? So, amo na kay bansang scientist ag engineering. Okay? Ang scientist ga research, tapos kita nga engineer. Ang gausar sa ilang nga research, no, para ibutang sa design, no, para mapuslan, no, sang mga katawhan, no, ang aton nga design kag ang research ang scientist. So mechanics, no, this is the science which considers the effect of forces on rigid bodies or fluid bodies that are at rest or in motion. Okay, so for mechanics or for statics, we will consider no nga ang body is rigid. No, kumbaga, bisan ano ka force ang ibutang mo sa body, hindi siya magulag, no, or hindi siya mapiod, hindi siya malusok, no, or hindi siya magisi. Okay, so dire no sa statics, no, amo ni aton nga pagatunan, no, ang effects ng forces sa bodies, no. For engineering mechanics, this is the branch of engineering that applies the principle of mechanics to mechanical design, no? As a civil engineering, no? Amo gini isa nga pinaka-basic, no? Nga subject nga dapat agid ma-master, no? Kay nga man kung hindi tani kabalo sang engineering mechanics, sang statics, no? Tayo yun ani, no? Hasta sa may design, hindi ka na gid kabalo. Okay? So, kung ako, although, basic, it is algebra, trigonometry, physics, no? Pero, no? Isa ni, no? Mga requirements na dapat agad ma-master, no? Before ta mga kagto, no? Sa major engineering subject ta. Okay? So this is the branch, no? The branches of engineering mechanics, no? Sa left side aradang statics, no? Sa statics you have force system, no? Then you have the applications sa PIAC, no? Or we have concurrent, parallel and non-concurrent ang applications, stresses, centroids, kag friction. Okay? For dynamics, dynamics naman we have kinematics and kinetics, no? For kinematics, no, we have translation, rotation, and plane motion similar to the kinetics, no. Ang kaibahan lang no sa kinematics, no, diri ta ginatun-an ang aton nga usually ginatun-an ta lang din, no, ang movement sang or ang paghulag sang body, no, without considering kung ano ang forces, no, nga nagduso sa body para maghulag sang amuna. Okay na? Sa kinetics storyahan ta na iya, no, kung ano ang force, no, sang body para maghulag sang amuna kadasig, no, muna kahinay, no, or ano kalayo ang iyang distansya, no. So basically for kinematics, the reading formula ta nga distance equals velocity times time, no. Distance equals VIT plus minus 1 half AT squared, no. So diri na di, no. Sa kinetics naman, no, diri ta ning tun-an naman ang power, no. Ang power, momentum, etc. Okay? Okay, so here we have statics, no? For statics, you will learn, no, the effects and distribution of forces on rigid bodies which are in the remain at rest. Dynamics, we have here the motion of rigid bodies caused by forces acting upon them. No? So, maning pagatunan ta sa dynamics naman, no? Gahulag naman ang aton nga body. Okay? Then we have kinematics, no? So, maning previously clarify ko, no? For kinematics, no, we have a motion of objects without reference to the forces that causes the motion of the mass of the object. So sa kinematics, no, tun-an ta lang din, no, ang motion sang body, no, gaulag siya, no, without discussing ano ang reason kung naghulag ang imong body, no, or motion sa imong body, no. Then we have the kinetics. This is the term or branch of mathematics that deals with the relationship between motion in its cause, namely forces and torques. So, discuss ani, no, sa kinematics. But for this discussion, no, ang ato ding nga topic is only statics, no. Ang dynamics sa line naman or sa next naman nga module, no. Okay, so when we solve engineering problems, no, dapat may aratas specific approach, no, para at least apos aton mag-solve sa problem, magsunod man sa maestro kung paano ta gina-solve ang problem. No, basically, no, dapat maintindihan ta, no, kung ano ang mga requirement, kung ano ginapangita, anong given, etc. So the engineering approach in solving problems, no, amo ning guide mo, no, kung paano mo i-solve, no, ang problem sa engineering nga medyo maintindihan gid, no. First, given. So after carefully reading the problem statement, no, you have to list all the data provided. If a figure is required or kung kailangan mo mag-drawing or kung usually, no, kinahanglan gid mag-drawing kapin pa kun ang imong problem, no, more on on reactions, di ba? So you have to sketch it neatly and approximately to scale, no, para at least mabalaan mo kung sala sa drawing mo, para mabalaan mo na kung sala ang imong pag-solve, di ba? Next, find, ano ginapangita? State precisely the information that is to be determined. Anong ginapangita sa problem, no? Ay adre pa lang makita tanan, no, nga ang isa ka estudyante, no, hindi ka balo mag-solve, no? May isa ka balo kung anong ginapangita niya, basta solve lang, no? So state, no, anong ginapangita ang information, no? Then number 3, solution. Solve the problem showing all the steps that you use in the analysis. Work neatly so that your work can be easily followed by others. When say followed by others, no, parang sa maestro mo nga po ang iyang pag-check, no. Kay kung ang maestro hindi makaintindi sa ginasulat mo, no, so laban gid hindi yan na pag-checkan. O kung hindi niya na padayon ang pag-check sa imong papel. Okay? So make sure that all steps are provided. Hindi pwede shortcut, no? Given requirements or find, no? Tapos answer na dayon, no? You have to solve or show the steps kung paano mo na analyze, no, ang imong problem nga naka-arrive ka sa imong sabat. Okay? Or sa imong answer. The number 4, validate many times, no? An invalid solution can be uncovered by simply asking yourself, does the answer make sense? Now, you say validate, no? After tapos mo na sa imong solve, no? Baliki pagid, no? May time pa baliki pagid ang imong ginaobra, no? Para makita mo basi may sala, basi may na-miss out ka, no? Kay kung kisa ang sabat mo, no? Dira mo makita nga sala ang imong sabat, no? Example, ang ginapangayo ability, ano ang length sang beam, no? Para maka-carry sa amo nga load, no? Tapos ang imong sabat may 50 kilometers, no? May beam lang nga 50 kilometers, no? So no? So dira para makita mo na nga ang imong solution or imong sabat or ang solution mo para maka-arrive sa mo nga sabat, sala. Di ba? So kung isa, no, common sense, no? Common sense lang na makita mo, 50 kilometers, paano nga 50 kilometers na nga akong sabat? Di ba? So ay man sang beam nga 50 kilometers, no? So yun. So these are the approach, no, in solving your engineering problems effectively.